Good morning, it's Dr. Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon. And I have to say, I get some weird questions, not weird questions, but what people do. Some of these health spas, what they do. Apparently, there's a trend of doing high volume enemas to help patients kind of clean out their intestinal tract. And I've had a number of people ask about it. They're called colonics. Should I do colonics? Well, first of all, I don't know. It's kind of a one-way flow system. I do order enemas from time to time for medicinal purposes, but I've never done so in a preventive fashion. And the reason is the colon, in theory, if everything's working properly, is a self-cleaning organ. In other words, the poop goes through there. These commercials where they say the spackle that's been in my colon for 20 years, that's bullshit. That is not true. Can I say bullshit on this video? I just did. Twice now. Anyway, that's not true. Okay? So colonics mean high pressure fluid going into the colon in someone not by a doctor. How do I know when you're going in for that you don't have an obstruction for some serious disease? The incidence of perforation with that is actually higher than you might think, not to mention the damage it's doing to your microbiome. So consider that before you go in for a random colonic. Maybe you should focus on your diet and get things working properly in the prograde direction before you have some shaman stick a hose up your hiney. I don't know how that's going to work.